Hook, say this fast, intense, with grit. 3 shaking high school girls, backpacks dragging on the ground, tears already starting, knowing the same 4 truck boys are parked right now, waiting to pin them against the chain-link fence and make them beg. Until the thunder of 20 Harleys rolled up, and the biggest, scariest one of them all looked at the lead bully and said, "You just put your hands on my daughter for the last time." If you felt that chill, smash the like button, subscribe right now, because this one goes places you will not see coming. In the fading factory town of Easton, Ohio, population 9,842 and falling, Lincoln High sat at the cracked edge of everything. The parking lot emptied by 3:05 every afternoon, teachers gone, buses gone, just the wind pushing trash across the asphalt. That's when Derek Rollins, star linebacker, trust fund king, and his 3 shadows, Colton, Bryce, and Trey, would lean against Derek's jacked-up Silverado and wait for the only 3 girls who still walked home. Emily Harper was 16, straight A, glasses held together with tape, wore her deceased mom's old denim jacket every single day because it still smelled like her. Sarah Mitchell, once the fastest girl on the soccer team until a torn ACL senior year, now limped with a brace and a permanent scowl. Chloe Reyes, the new girl from Cleveland, still had that big city edge, but it was wearing thin fast. For 4 months straight, every single school day, the boys were there. It started with words. "Hey, charity case, need bus money or you gonna cry again?" Then it became hands. Pushing Emily into the fence. Snatching Sarah's crutch and watching her hop. Grabbing Chloe's braid and yanking her backward so hard she saw stars. Nobody at school did anything. Derek's dad owned half the dealerships in 3 counties and sat on the school board. The principal called the girls into the office more than he ever called Derek. "Try not to provoke him," he actually said once.